It's a 2012 Volkswagen Eos. Its looks are stunning, its engineering is impressive, and best of all, the Eos is open for anything. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, Climatronic dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, front heated bucket seats, auto-shift manual transmission, power retractable hardtop, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. JSOnline.com points out that top up or top down, it has flowing lines that make it look as if it were designed in a wind tunnel. Volkswagen, where safety and performance come standard. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.